for you to watch sports, movies, TV shows, live TV. Better than any of the apps that you can find in the Amazon App Store? Follow along and I'll show you how. First thing, we need to download one program. So head over to Find icon and type in Downloader. D-O-W, and Downloader should pop right up. We can select on it, get it, download it, install it, hit the home button. This is where we're going to jailbreak Downloader. Head all the way down to the settings icon at the very end, pull down and highlight My Fire TV. And right now, I currently have developer options listed, and you may not. I'm going to show you how to get developer options put on here. Just highlight About and click on it. And here we have Fire TV Stick. Just use your remote, select it about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it says, no need, you're now a developer. Developer options is now enabled on your device. So we back out. Now developer options is listed here. Use your remote to open it up. Here, ADB debugging, we can turn that on. Highlight unknown apps, select on it, and then find Downloader and just click on. And boom, we've just jailbroken our Fire Stick. It's not jailbreaking. We turn on an option. It just enables us to be able to install applications that aren't through the App Store. So we can go back to the home screen. Now let's look for Downloader and find these awesome applications for our device. Head all the way to the 3 squares plus sign and click on it. So Downloader, we can highlight Downloader, select it with your remote, allow Downloader access media and files on our device, say allow. There is a quick start guide, say okay. Downloader acts just like a web browser. So we can type in any URL, or I have a short code for you and it's way quicker. 3701778. And then we select go. So we're going to head down. We're looking for movies and TV shows, live TV, sports, all that stuff, right? So we can head down. So our first line, probably the best app, the only app that you actually really want because it does all of it all in one. Click on it, brings us to the section to download it. We can come down, there is a video, check it out. Click on the blue bubble and it automatically starts downloading the application onto your device. Application gets downloaded, install, click done, delete, confirm the delete. And let's go to the home screen. 3 squares plus sign right there. And here they are. Here are the last one we downloaded on Fire. Can't get any easier than this, can it? 5-10 minutes and your Fire Stick is now loaded with awesome applications that you can't find in the App Store